Hi guys, so today I'll be doing an Q&A, so let's start.
Well, it's short, but okay.
Well, let's start with this one. For the Q&A, what do you prefer, Roblox or Bud?
Well, both are good, so both.
Let's go with another one, y'all.
This one is so sweet.
What is your hobby, and also what is your favorite food and dessert, and also what is your favorite YouTuber? Well, in my info there was putted the food I like, but okay, my favorite food is spaghetti. My favorite hobby is art. I don't have any favorite day, it is a hard desert. My favorite YouTuber is Mitsuki. Well, sorry, that's all for today. And after you go, can you commenter sign if you want to know mine is Libra. Okay, I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.